Chronic fatigue syndrome, also known as ME/CFS, is a complex and debilitating illness that profoundly impacts the lives of millions worldwide. It's characterized by persistent and overwhelming fatigue that is not relieved by rest. This fatigue can significantly impair daily activities, making even simple tasks seem impossible. Imagine feeling like you have the flu, but it never goes away. That's the reality for many ME/CFS patients. In addition to the relentless fatigue, ME/CFS presents with a constellation of other debilitating symptoms. These include flu-like symptoms such as muscle and joint pain, sore throat, and headaches. Patients often experience post-exertional malaise, a worsening of symptoms after physical or mental exertion. Sleep disturbances, including unrefreshing sleep and insomnia, are also common complaints. Cognitive dysfunction, often referred to as brain fog, is another hallmark of ME/CFS. Patients may struggle with memory, concentration, and information processing. This can make it challenging to work, study, or even hold a conversation. The wide range of symptoms and their unpredictable nature make ME/CFS a particularly challenging condition to diagnose and manage. The impact of ME/CFS extends far beyond physical symptoms. The chronic pain, fatigue, and cognitive difficulties can take a toll on mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and social isolation. Many individuals with ME/CFS are unable to work or maintain their previous level of activity, resulting in financial strain and a loss of independence. It's crucial to remember that ME/CFS is a real and serious illness that deserves recognition, understanding, and effective treatment options. Chronic fatigue syndrome affects millions of people worldwide, highlighting its significant global health impact. In the United States alone, an estimated 3 million people suffer from this debilitating condition. Globally, that number soars to a staggering 65 million, underscoring the urgent need for increased awareness and research. These numbers are likely underestimated due to challenges in diagnosis and underreporting. ME/CFS often occurs alongside other medical conditions, known as comorbidities. These coexisting conditions can complicate diagnosis and treatment, further adding to the burden experienced by patients. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is one such comorbidity, characterized by abdominal pain, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. Postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, or POTS, is another common comorbidity, causing an abnormal increase in heart rate upon standing, leading to dizziness and fainting. Fibromyalgia, a disorder characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain, fatigue, and sleep problems, is also frequently observed in individuals with ME/CFS. Allergies, migraine headaches, and depression are other conditions that often coexist with ME/CFS. The high prevalence of comorbidities in ME/CFS underscores the complex nature of this illness and the need for a comprehensive approach to diagnosis and management. The significant overlap between ME/CFS and other conditions can make diagnosis challenging. Symptoms may overlap, and it can be difficult to determine which condition is the primary cause of a patient's symptoms. This complexity highlights the importance of consulting with a healthcare professional experienced in diagnosing and treating ME/CFS and its related conditions. Early diagnosis and proper management can improve the quality of life for individuals with ME/CFS and help them regain some control over their health. Emerging research suggests that the immune system plays a crucial role in the development and persistence of chronic fatigue syndrome. Specifically, scientists have observed significant dysfunction in a type of white blood cell called T cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. In individuals with ME/CFS, these T cells exhibit signs of exhaustion, a state of dysfunction resulting from prolonged or excessive activation. T cell exhaustion is characterized by a decreased ability to proliferate, produce cytokines, and effectively eliminate infected or cancerous cells. This state of immune dysfunction is similar to what is observed in individuals with cancer, chronic infections, and even long COVID. The observation of T-cell exhaustion in ME/CFS provides valuable insights into the underlying mechanisms of this complex illness. The exact cause of T-cell exhaustion in ME/CFS remains an active area of research. However, several possibilities are being investigated, including persistent viral infections, reactivation of latent viruses, and chronic immune activation triggered by other factors. For instance, some studies suggest that a previous infection, such as Epstein-Barr virus or Lyme disease, may trigger an abnormal immune response that contributes to the development of ME/CFS. Understanding the role of T-cell exhaustion in ME/CFS is crucial for developing effective treatments. Current research is exploring various strategies to rejuvenate or modulate the immune system to reverse T-cell exhaustion and alleviate symptoms. These strategies include immunotherapies, which aim to boost the immune response, and antiviral medications, which target potential viral triggers. As our understanding of the immune system's role in ME/CFS deepens, so too will our ability to develop targeted and effective therapies. Recent scientific advancements have brought renewed hope for individuals living with chronic fatigue syndrome. Researchers are making significant strides in identifying biomarkers, measurable indicators of a biological state, that could revolutionize the diagnosis and treatment of this complex illness. One promising area of research involves analyzing the metabolic profiles of individuals with ME/CFS. Metabolomics, the study of small molecules involved in metabolism, has revealed distinct patterns in the blood and urine of ME/CFS patients. These metabolic alterations suggest that energy production and utilization are impaired in individuals with this condition. Identifying these metabolic biomarkers could lead to more accurate diagnostic tests, allowing for earlier detection and intervention. Furthermore, the development of new diagnostic tools, such as machine learning algorithms, offers exciting possibilities for improving the accuracy and speed of ME/CFS diagnosis. These algorithms can analyze complex datasets, including patient symptoms, medical history, and biomarker profiles, to identify patterns indicative of ME/CFS. Early and accurate diagnosis is essential for providing appropriate care and support to individuals living with this condition. Beyond diagnosis, researchers are actively investigating potential treatments for ME/CFS. One promising avenue involves repurposing existing medications, such as anti-exhaustion drugs currently used in cancer treatment. These drugs target specific pathways involved in T-cell exhaustion and could potentially restore immune function in individuals with ME/CFS. While more research is needed to confirm the safety and efficacy of these treatments, the progress made in understanding the underlying mechanisms of ME/CFS provides hope for a brighter future. The ongoing dedication of researchers, healthcare professionals, and individuals living with ME/CFS is crucial for advancing our understanding of this complex illness and developing effective treatments that will improve the lives of millions worldwide.